missed you all. Did you miss me? I think so. I love drawing and sketching. I think you also do. So today's video is all about one of my sketch. And the sketch is about a basic sketch face for beginners. Let's go! I am using A4 size white paper. This is Apsara pencil, normal one. Eraser. And this is Camlin drawing pencils, as you can see. So from the top, I'm going to make a dot and another dot and then leave some space and another dot at the end. Now I'm going to make the face. See, as we all have a face, so I'm going to make the face now. Now I'm making the eyebrows. I've already made the hair. Now I'm making the eyebrows here. Brown colored eyebrows. And then now trying to make the eyes. Okay. Yes, trying to make it proper. Yes, here the eyeball and giving a little dot. Now the other eye I have made, and her lips also I've already made. And so now I'm using 2B pencil for sketching the eyeball. See, it is not easy while making the sketch in one time. It takes a lot of practice. And you can also use scale for making everything in a line. But I am doing myself, as I've done many sketches. So now coloring the eyeball. See, isn't it looking cool from now only? And see, guys, the nose and the mouth should be in a proper line. Everything, not just them. Everything should. See this now? And this is HB pencil. Okay. And here again, I've used 2B pencil here. I have made the circle. And then this is HB and this is 10B. Okay, I'm using 10B pencil for making the eyelash. So it looks dark. These are the eyelashes. Now I am going to start making the hair. I am using a paper. So whatever I have colored down doesn't get mixed everything. Now I am shading the hair. See? Okay, with 2B pencil only. Okay, and with my finger I am going to rub the shaded part. I've shaded, so I'm going to just rub it. So the texture, color of it comes. See, now I've wrote my name and here the face is ready. Isn't it looking cool? See, this is the final face. I hope you like it. Subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook.